The client at the bottom wants to connect to the internet and to the server on the top. It's connected to the internet by two ISP 1 and 2 and receive addresses from both ISP, but both of them apply strict anti-spoofing. So using the traceroute with the first prefix, we succeed and can reach the internet. Now, if we try the address from the second prefix, we failed because packets are dropped. Let's focus now on the exit router 1 to ISP 1, which is router 3. Nothing specific regarding the routing table. There is no specific route for source. And if we look about the FIP table itself, the output chain says that for this specific destination, we have a single adjacency, which is always through ISP1 via Ethernet 01. So we need to change it and move it to specific source routing. So let's go in configuration mode. First enable SADR routing. And then we need to define the two source specific prefixes. This is prefixes number 1. And we need to define as well the prefix for the ISP2 with a 2 : inside. There is as well a way to display the SADR table, and we will see that the entry index 0 is for the any : 0 and 1 and 2 of ISP1 and ISP2 prefixes. So now let's enter source specific route, and as usual we define a destination, but we can add as well the source specific prefix. In this case it's for ISP1, and we enter the usual next hop and link local of the next hop. In this case this is for ISP1. We really need actually to change and add another source specific route from the prefix of ISP2, forcing the packets to use a non-default route and basically go through the router 4, which is connected to the ISP number 2. And if we look now at the FIP table, it has changed dramatically. A couple of not so important information here. What we look about the output chain, we see entry zeros, which is a default for default prefix, but 2, look, the adjacency is different because it's simply going through router 4 instead of the default route. So the trace route now back on the client using the prefix number 1 works as before, but if we do the trace route using the prefix number 2, we see that we are going now not by the default route, but we go by router 4 and then follow the default route from there going to the ISP2. And ISP2 accepts the prefix number 2. We are all safe, the trace route succeeds.